Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. This week's Closing Bell is brought to you by FarmGate AH. Steer and heifer weights have continued to trend higher, right in line with the seasonal pattern. Fed steer weights are over 20 pounds heavier than their summer lows and have tracked right at or above year-ago levels since mid-May. While heifer weights are also trending higher, up about 15 pounds from the summer lows, they're tracking below year-ago levels, right along the 5-year average. This puts fed weights nearly even with year-ago over the past few months. Weights should continue to be seasonal, trending higher through November, and are forecast to be at or above year-ago levels, especially since new crop corn should make less expensive cost of gains. A current fed cattle supply could keep weights more moderate, but with beef demand seasonally slower following Labor Day, packers are not expected to be overly aggressive the next few weeks as their margins are squeezed. The beef cutout rolled over, moving about $2 lower this week, which is still indicating good demand, considering pretty large kills the last 3 weeks. Beef is likely to seasonally soften more over the next month or so, now that grilling demand is largely finished for the summer. The slowing beef market means that fed cattle will also be more sideways to lower the next 2 to 3 weeks. The north fed supply has begun to outpace the south, which has narrowed the north-south spread, which should continue. This week, the north saw moderate fed cattle cash trade at 182 to 184 live and 292 to 290 to 292 dressed, which is mostly $2 lower. Light volumes traded in the south at 178 to 179, which is steady to $1 lower. This makes 11 weeks in a row of southern fed trade between 178 to 180. Feeder cattle will continue to follow the live cattle future contracts as long as corn remains range-bound. Calves continue to be supported at about a 10% per hundredweight premium relative to feeder cattle. Calves should stay supported with tighter outside supplies. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.